Good morning, Mirabelle. How are you today? Are you a rockin'? Rockin' and a rollin'?
No, what are you doing? Come on, go.
Come on.
One day she did that and rocked so hard she went over her head and then she kind of...
She did that this morning.
I thought she was going to cry and she just kind of looked and then she went on her merry way.
We're making a video for Papa. Whoa! Rock, rock, rock. Is that fun?
Papa needs another video. Come on, let's go. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster, faster. Are you tired now?
She's like hopping.
Both knees go up a little bit instead of one. You'll get it.
Oh.
Say hi, Papa.
Maybe we can zoom in and see that tooth. Oh, you fell down. Are you getting mad?
She's going to pull herself up.
Mirabelle.
Say hi, Opa. Hi, Opa.
Say adios.
She takes one knee up and then
Are you getting mad?
lurches forward.